Hello everyone. So today I'm going to draw a very beautiful landscape. Okay. See, it's just you have to make in landscape mode. Okay. You have to make the copy in landscape mode and then draw a straight line from middle of the page. Okay. And then a shape like this, like a mountain, and draw two curved line like this. Okay. Now from here the shape like this, okay, and curved line, okay, like this. It's very easy, and the main thing is you can draw the sun over here. Okay, big shape, and the coloring will be very easy. So see, it's very easy drawing. Okay, now just before start coloring, what should we do? We should make the drawing light. Okay, we should make the drawing light. And now what you have to do, just I will take first now medium yellow. Okay, I will take the medium yellow. First you can take the lemon yellow also. Just from the top, just do the lemon yellow. Okay, I'm just doing the lemon yellow. And now I will do the medium yellow. Okay, I will do the medium yellow from here, from the top. Do the medium yellow. Now I'm going to use the deep yellow. Okay, now I'm going to use the deep yellow. Just do the border first, the sun. Don't put any color inside the sun. Okay, and especially rub the graphite lining, this pencil lining na we have done. Just erase it properly, then you do it. Otherwise it will come black na. After doing deep yellow, we have to do the orange color. Okay, we'll use the orange color from here. First I will do the border with the sun. Just forget about the tree. Do the color. Okay, see, lightly tree can be seen in that, so we will do with that only, so don't worry. Now what we have to do, after orange I will take scarlet color. Okay, scarlet or geranium, anyone you can use. Just from the bottom, color. And now what I have to do, just with the orange or vermilion hue, anyone with that, just mix the orange and red. Okay, first mix orange and red. properly. Okay, and so on the red you have to do the orange color. Now we will do the deep yellow. Okay, and do the sun, that lining border properly. Now I will take the deep yellow. Okay, I will take the deep yellow and I will blend the orange properly. It's blend. Okay, it's blend properly. And now the next color will be, just I will take deep green. Okay, first I will take the deep green or dark green, anyone you can take it out. Just like a border I will do. And after that I will take the yeah, leaf green. Okay, after that I will take the leaf green. I will do the blend the deep green with the leaf green like this. And now I will blend it with yellow green. Okay, yellow green or light green, any green you can use. I am just using yellow green. I am just using yellow green color. Okay, and now I will take the first I will take Persian blue. Okay, I will take the Persian blue color. Okay, Persian blue, and with the Persian blue now just I will do the lining like this. Persian blue color. Okay, before that with the pencil I just try to draw the sun over here like this. Okay, inside this you will not do any kind of color. Okay, and then I will take little bit yellow color. Okay, like medium yellow I will take, and I will do it over here. Not the perfect circle. Okay, don't draw the perfect circle. Use the orange color here like this, little bit orange color. Now just let it. Now do the Persian blue lining like this. Okay, don't blend it, just like a lining. Okay, straight lining. From here also just do the lining. Don't blend it, just do the lining. Okay, so that it look like water, the shining lines coming like that. Now I will take the brilliant blue. Okay, I will take the brilliant blue and I will do the lining. Lining. Okay, don't blend it, draw, you have to draw the lining one by one, just straight lining you have to do. And now I will do the light blue lining. Do with light pressure, it will come very thin lining. Okay, see, look like water, shining, shiny water. Very easy. Do with light pressure, then it will come this way, like this. And this it's very far away, so you can blend it over here. This portion you can blend it properly. It's not properly. In some portion you just do the blue properly, especially the far away. A little bit shining can be seen from the far. I'm using the deep brilliant blue. Okay. Now with the light blue, some lining. Now what I have to do, just I will take the deep green again. It's a deep green. Now I will do the leaf green. Now I will do the yellow green or light green, any one you can use. If you have the yellow green, then use the yellow green only. And do the properly, okay? Blend it properly. Okay. Now I will take the black color, okay? I will take the black color. Just from here, na? With the black. See. First draw the lining like this. And now if you have the glass marker with you, have the glass marker, just draw the leaves like this, okay? With the glass marker you just draw it. Now again one more. See, with the glass marker just we have to draw the lining like this, okay? Curve lining, okay? And this one also, okay? This one also we will do it. One we can draw it over here also, so that it looks good. Here also. And now I will take the black color, do the lining over here. Okay, it's a lining. I'm just doing the lining. Okay. And in far away, some plants are here. Means same only. the black color also you can do this. Okay, the black color. So last thing is we will use the black color. Okay, black color. See, it's very easy. First circle, then V shape, then a shape. Draw the wings like this. Okay, one more over here. V shape, first dot, then V shape. Okay, and then the wings like this, kind of birds. Okay,